everyone, and welcome to Owen's Kitchen.
Today I'm going to show you super easy homemade white bread. Here you have all the steps. You will be successful when you make your bread first time. You only need few ingredients. So let's get started. Here I have 1.5 cups of warm water, 7 grams of dry yeast. Remember to use just warm water, not hot. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Give a mix until completely dissolved, then I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. Here I have a mixing bowl. I'm going to add 3.5 cups of bread flour, or you can add all-purpose flour, half teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any oil you want to, but I like to use coconut oil. This oil gives more flavor. I'm going to mix everything. Now I'm going to pour the yeast mixture. I'm going to start kneading. First I'm going to sprinkle some flour. Remember to keep some extra flour when you knead in the dough. That way will stop the dough sticking to your work surface. When you knead in time, add slowly extra flour. This kneading is develop dough into a smooth elastic ball. This is not difficult. I'm pushing the dough away from me with the heel of my palm. Then folding with my fingers and pulling it back. I will continue to knead until it's smooth. This dough is completely smooth. I'm going to leave this for about an hour at room temperature until the dough has doubled in size. I also like to cover with damp towel. That will work just fine, but if you want, you can use plastic wrap. This is after 1 hour. Now I'm going to knead this dough very briefly. This is going to be second rise. I'm going to cover, then leave this for 50 minutes. This spread is completely done. I hope you know how to make your own bread. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.